Hello, this is Helen. Today I'm going to show you a place that most people don't even know about, even local Singaporeans don't know about. And that's Pasir Ris Park. And the special thing about this park is that it leads all the way to the beach. So now I'm on my way to Pasir Ris Park and there's a chicken. Hello, chicken. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I'm gonna walk all this way to the beach. And it looks like that.
Come with me, lady, and turn off the lights. This is the moment we make all things right. Come with me, lady, and turn off the lights. This is the moment we make all. Come with me, lady, and turn off the lights. This is the moment we make all things right. Come with me, lady, and turn off the lights.
Wow, I think I have arrived. Passion Wave, Pasir Ris. Okay. Wow. So I have arrived beach. I'm smelling the ocean already. So that's Pasir Ris Park. Wow, look at that. I'm smelling the ocean. It will rain later. So most people don't know about this beach. There are many popular beaches in Singapore, including Sentosa Beach in the south. And there's the most popular one at Marina Bay Sands. That one is very crowded. Usually I try to avoid to go to that one. Wow. Huge trees.
This is the moment we make all things right.
Wow, I have arrived. Look at that, Pasir Ris Park. And in front of me is the ocean. I think over here it's northeast of Singapore. So we're actually facing Malaysia. I think that's Johor. Johor Bahru. Wow, beautiful. Some people are already here camping. Very peaceful.
Turn off the lights. This is the moment we make all things right. Come with me, lady, and turn off the lights. This is the moment we make all things right. Come with me, lady, and turn off the lights. This is the moment we make all things right. Come with me, lady, and turn off off the lights. This is the moment we make opens right. Come with me, lady, and turn off the lights.
Now let's take a walk to the park and see what's going on over there. So it looks like there's a bridge. Then I can walk over to the other side. So now on the bridge. Wow, look at the beautiful weather. So I have arrived at the park. It says Pasir Ris Park Area 2.
This is the moment we make opens right. Come with me, lady, and turn off the lights. This is the moment we make opens right. Come with me, lady, and turn off the lights. This is the moment we make opens right. Come with me, lady, and turn off the lights. This is the moment we make opens right. Come with me, lady, and turn off the lights. This is the moment we make opens right. Come with me, lady.
If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button below. Or write your comment below and let me know what you like to see in Singapore.